Hey there, viewers! 2020 was so chaotic. Many of us didn't even get a chance to see family. But there's one thing you probably didn't miss out on. Food! Lots and lots of food. I pretty much cleared out my local convenience store. Needless to say, I was eating a lot of junk. Keeping with the new year, new me attitude, let's talk about 8 healthy foods you should stock up on for 2021. Did broccoli make the list? Do I really need to try kale? What's the best way to cook chicken? Hang on a second. Dark chocolate? We're talking all that and more. Number 1. Dark chocolate. Let's kick things off with a surprise. When it came to 2020 snacking, chocolate was probably on the top of your list. All you needed to do was walk to your local gas station and buy every single Snickers bar. Wait, that was just me? Well, regardless, I assume most of us eat unhealthy types of chocolate. This is why dark chocolate is so refreshing. It contains nutrients you may have missed out on last year. Dark chocolate can lower blood pressure, reduce bad cholesterol, and lessen your risk of heart disease. This is all thanks to the power of antioxidants, which fight against free radicals and stop deterioration in the body. A 2011 study pitted dark chocolate against various fruits. This was all to see which selection had the highest amount of benefits. As it turned out, both cocoa and dark chocolate had more active antioxidants than any fruit, even blueberries. But that's not all. Dark chocolate has a ton of fiber, magnesium, iron, and manganese. It can improve both your skin and brain function. So if you're looking for a break from sugary M&Ms in 2021, dark chocolate would be your best bet. What's your favorite type of chocolate? Is it unhealthy for you? My favorite certainly is. Sound off in the comment section and start a conversation with our Bestie community. Number 2. Avocado. I hate to admit it, but my hipster friends were right about this one, and to think I used to stare at them in disgust when they slathered it onto their toast. Avocado is one of the best fruits out there. What makes them different is that they're loaded with healthy fats, not to mention a heck of a lot of nutrients. By eating just one avocado, you're getting your money's worth of fiber, potassium, and vitamin C. Studies have shown that avocado may hold more potassium than bananas. This is something you've probably been missing out on. I mean, be honest, how many times in 2020 did you eat avocado while locked down watching Netflix? It's not exactly a fitting snack for binging Tiger King. Either way, avocado is something we all need more of, so don't shy away from it the next time you hit the grocery store. Number 3. Blueberries. Hey, I was blue enough in 2020. You're telling me my food has to be it now too? I know, it's a tough sell, but blueberries are just so good for you. I just mentioned a second ago how dark chocolate may outperform blueberries. That doesn't mean you should cross them off your grocery list. Blueberries are still among the most powerful antioxidant sources on Earth. Seriously, eating a bowl of blueberries is like hitting the nutrient jackpot. The antioxidants in blueberries will protect your damaged cells, helping your body against aging. You'll even get protection from disease. Blueberries reduce DNA damage, which helps to lower your risk of cancer later in life. So make it your New Year's resolution to get a little more blueberry in your life. Number 4. Chicken breast. Given the 12 snack-filled months we just had, we could all use a little more protein. That's why chicken breast should be one of your go-tos. Now, in the dead of winter, you obviously don't need to fire up the barbecue. Chicken breast can be grilled right on top of your stove. But back to the protein for a second. Just a small chicken breast carries 46 grams. You need protein to lose weight, maintain strength in your bones, and reduce appetite. Some freshly cooked chicken with mashed potatoes is just one of those meals that makes my mouth water. If you're teaching yourself to cook, make this one of your first big meals of the year. Before we continue, are you looking to get in shape in the new year? Well, you need to make sure your health's right first. Check out our new video on 10 signs of hypertension you cannot ignore. Now back to our list of healthy 2021 foods. Number 5. Kale. Oh yeah, we're getting into the fun stuff now. In all seriousness, I know kale probably isn't on the top of your grocery list, but a new year is for trying new things. You need to step out of your shell and eat better foods, even if they taste terrible. Of course, kale is more of an acquired taste. You're probably not gonna like it the first time around. Is this a put-off for you? Thinking of switching the video off? Well, perhaps hearing about its nutrients will get you back on my side. Kale is a good source of vitamin C. Sorry, I'm underselling it. Kale is a gold mine of vitamin C. I mean, it has a lot. Just a cup of chopped kale holds 85% of your suggested daily intake. Vitamin C is needed to protect your body's cells. It also maintains your skin, blood vessels, and bones. And it doesn't just stop with vitamin C. Kale also has some amazing vitamin K and fiber. If you think you're the only one in your friend group who eats it, think again. It's only becoming more popular. You can't watch online videos without seeing an ad for some health nut raving about it. So go ahead and dare to try something new. Number 6. Salmon. If you're a junk food addict like me, you've probably had a nightmare where you've been force-fed to both salmon and kale. Well, if you're not a salmon person, let me try to sway you. Salmon is loaded with terrific nutrients. Just a 4-ounce serving has 25 grams of protein along with 10% of your daily potassium. But the one nutrient it excels in is omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3s lower blood pressure, reduces plaque in your arteries, and brings down your risk of heart disease. Since your body can't create them, you need to get them from your diet. What better way to get more of them than to start eating salmon? There are more than enough ways to eat salmon. I mean, of course you can eat it on its own. But how about you have it with potato, rice, salad, or my next pick? Number 7. Asparagus. The salmon-asparagus combo is perfect if you're looking for a health boost. I mean, you're already eating kale, why not asparagus? It's already a pretty popular side item. If you're trying to lose weight in 2021, it's really low on calories. Just a cup of chopped asparagus is only 27. You're also getting 10% of your daily fiber with that. Fiber does a lot of great things for your blood pressure and weight. It's also really good for your digestion. As for your bathroom habits, I'll just say this: a diet that's high in fiber will help you go more often. Now, eating a literal cup of asparagus isn't too common. I'm sure most of you aren't throwing it into a blender and drinking it either. In my humble opinion, the best way to eat asparagus is to cook 5 or 6 and have them with your meal. I was serious when I said you should have them with salmon. Number 8. Broccoli. You really can't go wrong with broccoli. When was the last time you actually took time to cook some and have them with dinner? Make that a New Year's resolution. Broccoli is one of the healthiest veggies you can eat. It has lots of fiber and vitamins. A cup of chopped broccoli holds about 31 calories, so if asparagus isn't your weight loss pick, broccoli should be instead. How could you say no? Broccoli has 90% of your daily vitamin C intake. It also has 10% of your daily fiber. Broccoli's antioxidants work to reduce inflammation and prevent your body from deteriorating. A steady diet of broccoli can prevent cancer and other diseases. Now, broccoli can be eaten raw, but if you want to cook them, don't boil them in water. That kills a ton of the nutrients. Steam them instead. This is another great side food you can try in 2021. Your diet really needs to change if you want to get in shape this new year, myself included. Have I sparked your interest in learning more about diet? Let's take a look at a couple more videos. Check out 10 foods you can eat on a diet. Or how about 8 foods that aren't as healthy as you think? Go ahead, click one. Better yet, watch both. Learn more about how to become a healthier person. Do you already eat any of these foods? Let us know in the comments below.